Hey, what's up? My name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today we are going to take a look at creatives. So images and headlines, we're going to review them and we're going to rate them just to give you a better understanding on how to make converting creatives. So let's dive in. All right, so here I am right inside of the marketplace in Clickbank. But before we dive in and go start looking for some creatives, I want to tell you that the waiting list for the beta of the Deberoo suite is still open. So if you haven't heard about the beta or about the Deberoo suite is a brand new platform that we're launching and the world's first all-in-one affiliate platform. So you will have all the tools, all the courses, and all the support that you need for your affiliate marketing campaigns all under one roof. So you would have a landing page builder, a tracker, a spy tool, a cash flow estimator, courses to train yourself, coaching if you'd like, to give you some help with your campaigns or with your learning progress. There will be an event calendar. So a lot of features all to help you towards that one goal, which is creating profitable campaigns. So right now you can test our server, our platform for free. Simply sign up for the beta waiting list. And as soon as the beta starts and we can open our doors for the first users, you will get free access to all those tools. So make sure to sign in through the link below for the beta waiting list. Now let's dive in. Today's offer I want to focus on is this offer right here. Ted's Woodworking, highest converting woodworking site on the internet, the top seller in Clickbank for years running. Evergreen niche with a huge market, get $125 per sale with a highly optimized funnel for 11% conversions, plus 75% commission on front end upsells, crushes on Facebook and media buys with insane EPC on do-it-yourself, survival, conservative lists. All right, so this is their offer page, just to give you an understanding. I'm not going to purely focus it on this specific offer, but we are going to focus it on woodworking, and we're going to look at some creatives for offers like this one. So it's a VSL, and it will basically teach you how to create your own furniture, toys, whatever, as long as it's from wood, right? There's also an affiliate page. Let's take a quick look. Promote the highest converting woodworking product on the internet, Ted's Woodworking. All right. Cool. So is there any information on what kind of people buy it? No, it doesn't seem like it. All right. No worries, no worries. So yeah, let's take a look at some creatives. So I'm using Visto, the Facebook ads spy tool, to take a look at some different creatives, basically. And if you haven't done so yet, sign up for Visto because it's completely free right now. And spying is a very important element in the process of creating your campaign. Once, because you want some inspiration and, you know, get that creativity going. And before you start writing, you might have a writer's block or whatever. So doing some research can give you that inspiration to write better copies or to pick better images. And secondly, you want to stay up to date about what's happening in the market, right? You want to see what other affiliates are doing and what's working for them and what not. So very important to do your spying, and Visto is my favorite spy tool for Facebook ads by far, and it's completely free right now. So make sure to sign up. So let's take a look. I'm just simply going to search for woodworking, and search. Let's see if we can get some results. All right, a lot of results actually. Cool, it's even loading some more. Awesome. Let's just start here. Why not? Peel, grind, engrave, and even cut pieces of wood with ease. Introducing ultra-fast angle grinding wheel. Upgrade your woodworking ways and make intricate wood carving effortlessly. Get it here. Alright, so the image is basically a VSL as well, right? With the play button, so you want to click and then you get redirected. But the image itself is not the greatest. It doesn't really pop. A lot of the colors are kind of blending into each other, so they could have done a better job on the image. Now, the description is very short and doesn't say a whole lot. And there's no headline or sub-headline right here. As you can see, this is the headline, this is the sub-headline, and that is not here. So overall, I would give this ad as is probably a 2 or a 3 out of 10. Let's see, so these are all the same affiliate. Let's just pick one. So the images are all quite the same, right? The only difference is this right bottom image right here. But still, all the colors kind of blend in, right? It's all kind of the same. Now, if he had just used this picture in the left top, that would have probably been better than these 4. Because this image itself still has some contrast in it. It has some yellow, his blouse is actually kind of off color, so that makes it pop a little bit more. The other 3 images are very, very blended. It's all kind of one sort of color. Not great. So for the images, I would give a 3 out of 10 for the image alone. But let's read the copy. I wish I had known about this great resource of 16,000 professional woodworking plans before. Now I can build practically any type of woodworking project with the confidence that it will be a winner. Learn where you can gain access to this extensive archive of woodworking plans by clicking the link below. Instant access to over 16,000 woodworking plans. So the copy is the same on all 3 as well. The headlines are slightly different. 16,000 detailed, easy to follow woodworking plans. Instant access to over 16,000 detailed, easy to follow woodworking plans. So out of the headlines, I like this one the best. Why? Because it says instant. This one says instant as well. So instant access gives the feeling for the audience of like, oh, I can start today. I will get these today and I can start building today, right? So that gives a feeling of urgency, which we want to create, which we like. Over 16,000 detailed, easy to follow woodworking plan. Another nice term, detailed, is a nice term because when we're talking about woodworking plans, I might have had hundreds of woodworking plans before where it maybe is too cryptic or too hard to understand what they actually mean or what I actually need to do. So detailed is a very nice word to increase the worth of the product, basically. Easy to follow, same thing, right? Easy to follow. Everybody understands, okay, this is easy to follow. Easy to, I can do this, basically, is the feeling that they get. I can do this. And that's what you want to create, that feeling, because you want them to do it, because if they get a feeling of like, I can't do this or I don't want to, then they're not going to buy 16,000 plants if they're never going to build anything, right? So, nice wording there. Copy here is okay, not the strongest I've seen, but it's okay. So the overall ad, if I take this ad, the overall ad, I would give like a 6.5 out of 10, right? It's pretty good. The image, I'm not really convinced. The copy is okay, not great, but okay. The headline is pretty good. Let's take a look at another one. Right here, Buck's Wood Shop. Hi everyone, what's the secret to automatically building amazing woodworking projects without feeling like you have to be a professional carpenter? Quality, simplified woodworking plans and guides. Take our quick survey and watch our video and you'll soon learn how you can easily build any woodworking project that you want. Plus you're going to get 100 free woodworking plans and guides sent immediately to your email just for watching our video and taking our survey. Please check your spam folder if you don't see your 150 free plans and guides in your email inbox. Click below to take the survey. Alright, so the copy. It's okay. So what he does well, this affiliate, is what's the secret to automatically building amazing woodworking projects without feeling like you have to be a professional carpenter. So there are a couple things he does pretty well here. In the meantime, I'm going to plug in my battery. Otherwise, we would have a big problem. Alright, so we're back. So what's the secret? So secret is a good word to use because that gives the feeling of uniqueness. It gives the feeling of like, okay, not everybody can get this information, but I can. So good wording there. Automatically building amazing woodworking projects. You can already feel what kind of words are working in this sentence. Automatically. Amazing. Without feeling like you have to be a professional carpenter. That would be another phrase, not really a word, but a phrase that would work, right? So telling them that you don't have to do this for a living. You don't have to have 40 years of experience to build this. Basically, as a beginner, you can do this too. So no matter how experienced you are, you want to have this product. So I like that wording. Take our quick survey and watch our video and you'll soon learn how you can easily build any woodworking project that you want. So for that sentence, I would say take either one. Or put it on take this quick survey, take fun survey, whatever. Or put it on watch a video. Because right now it already becomes a hustle. A routine that you have to go through that might be long, that might take a lot of energy, whatever, right? So keep it easy. Keep it easy for your audience. They only have to do one thing. They only keep it simple, basically. Simplify it. That's what I would say about this sentence. Plus you're going to get 150 free woodworking plans and guides sent immediately. Good wording, right? Immediately, urgency. To your email just for watching our video and taking our survey. So in that text, it might work. It's not terrible to have both the survey and the video in there. I'm not a big fan of it. I like simplicity, so I would say pick one of the two. But in this context, in this creative, it is okay. Now the image, a lot better than this one right here. So right here, everything is kind of wood colored, right? Remember? So right here you have the green grass and then the swing really stands out. If we look at this one, I'm not really convinced about the right top one. The left top one looks okay and then the right bottom one is pretty good. And then the lining around it is pinkish, pink purple-ish. So it jumps a little bit, right? You don't see a whole lot of things happening in that color when browsing through Facebook. So that's a good one. Master Woodworker gives away 150 plans and guides just for watching this video. Now the headline is simple, right? It gives that simplicity. Just for watching this video. Easy as that, right? So that's what I like. That's what I mean when I say create simplicity. But there's a contrast here because in his description he does talk about taking the survey and watching the video. So I would personally say Okay, pick one of the two, as he did in this headline right here. So let's take a quick look at a couple of other images, and after that I want to see this landing page as well. So simply just scrolling through, just like the audience would do as well. I would say not working. Create some interest, create some curiosity, but not enough. Lame, lame, lame. We've seen these. Too much going on. Nothing really popping. This is just terrible. There's no curiosity, right? You give it right away. Okay, this is the product that I'm trying to sell to you. Please buy this. That's the impression that I get when I see this. So be creative with this. They are called creatives for a reason. Be creative. This doesn't make any sense. Let's see if we can find something that really pops. Now, this pops even more, right? It's still a giveaway. It's still a, okay, bam, here it is. This is what I've got to offer. But it's not giving the actual product. And it says get access to 16,000 plans. So, decent, pretty good. I like this. I like this kind of thing. So you've got this blue weird thing. I don't know what it is because I've got two left hands and I don't know how to build anything. But it jumps out, right? It jumps out of the rest of the picture, and then with the play button you get intrigued to see, okay, what is he doing with that thing? What is happening basically? Let's see, what else do we have? Not a whole lot. Alright, so I wanted to see the survey of this ad, Buck's Woodshop. So let's take a look. We get in the detailed information about this offer. So he's running it in the United States. Alright. The landing page. Here we go. Buck's Woodshop. This just looks terrible, right? It's ugly. New. Get 150 woodworking plans and guides free just for taking this survey and watching our video. Okay. 150 plans and guides. Take a quick survey, watch our video, get... Okay. So the whole flow is basically made of that 3 steps. Do this, and get. 3 steps. So it keeps repeating. So there is coherency in the flow, which is good. Let's click through the survey real quick. How many years have you been woodworking? How would you rate your current woodworking skills? What type of woodworking projects interest you the most? Okay, that's it. And then email address. All right. Not too bad. Could have been better though. All right. Well, that's going to be it for this one. Make sure to check out the Deberoo suite and join the beta waiting list down below with the link. And when you're down there, give a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like this video. And I will catch you next time. Peace out.